Well, it's been a while since I posted a wolf spider video because those are not the types of videos that you can just go and post. This guy was squirming around on the floor this morning when I turned the lights on, and it was like, what the heck? Got like 16 legs and fangs, and things are broken and hanging off. But I can assure you he is very much alive. Let's poke him and see what happens. Actually, not poke him, just see if he's going to respond. The gray one, oh man, he's quick. The gray one is tangled up in the carcass of the brown one. Now, I don't know if they were fighting, molting, what the heck was going on, but I'm going to see if I can separate this guy and give him back his mobility. He is a large spider. I mean, you can see by the size. Oh, yeah, hello, good morning. Shaking my hand. Like, what is that? Begging me for some help. He knows I'm the wolf spider guy. All right, let me put this camera on the tripod. We'll get in there with some tweezers and see if we can separate these two and watch this thing walk away. He is big. All right, we got the camera in position here. I think this guy's actually molting. Looks like he's peeling away from this. I'll see if he lets me help him. All right, man, he is just not happy. Looks to be intact and healthy. Let's see what, get the rest of this stuff off of there. I would say this is definitely a molt. This carcass is hollow, and he's trying to pull his legs out of it, and it doesn't look like that's working out for him. This guy's got to go. He is definitely stuck here. That's the wildest thing I've seen in a while. There's the head of the old carcass. Fangs are in there too. He's stuck right there. You can see he's like got leggings on, right? It's got a shell around this leg. The gray apparently is the new section. And I don't know if he's just stuck or what the deal is, but this guy is really tangled up in the new skin here. It just does not want to come off. Let's see this part here. It's ready to come off. But the hairs, you can see the little spikes on the end of the legs. Let's see if I can get that in focus. That's tough to focus on. The little spikes are obviously holding the old shell on, old carcass on. It's definitely worth trying to get him out of there. I don't want to hurt him. You don't know what it takes to pull these things apart. And these are hydraulic, these legs. There's really no muscles or anything in them. It's all handled by liquid. So this is quite a network, and I just don't want to interrupt it. Let's get a different camera angle. Let's continue. Those are the old fangs. Check that out. Just spin them around so you get a look at them. Check it out. Look at that. Isn't that cool or what? See the fangs right there. I'd like to have them suckers sunk into your arm. Huh? No thanks. All right, back to the patient. It's like something from a horror film, right? Yeah. It's like, come on, man. Take my jammies off. I can't get my stuff together here. Come on, there. He's still pretty feisty. Let's flip him over and see if he'll do anything. He's still kicking, huh? He's trying. There you go. Stand up for me. Just like anything else in nature, let's put a drop of water on that joint right there and see if we can get this guy to start his mobility. How cool is that? Look at that. One old spider leg. Pre-molt. All right, well, he's in a lot better shape than he was 2 minutes ago, that's for sure. You can see his eyes. Look at his eyes right there. How cool is that? Looking up at me going, what the heck, man? I didn't expect this morning when I woke up. Going to put a couple drops of water in there, see if that might help him hydraulic himself out of there. You can see his pedipalps down here. There you go. Defensive posture. He's reeling back. That's good. His fangs are tucked up underneath his face down in this area here. Yeah, I'm crazy, but I'm not crazy enough to touch this thing. Look at this. Jeez, Louise. And he is a hot mess at the moment. Let's find him. There he is. Let's give him some time to shake off the rest of his shell. And see if this big guy survives. See ya.